Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year, happy 2025. It's been 2 or 3 months I've not vlogged because we've just been so busy just getting things ready for the new year, decluttering the Christmas stuff, getting Arthur's new room ready, the baby news. Oh, it's just been a whirlwind. So basically I forgot to film an intro for this video. So this video was actually done it started in October 2024, but I accidentally forgot to do an intro. So now we're in January 2025 and I'm doing an intro for this video. So now you would have known the baby news. We're having another baby, another little boy. So Arthur's nursery, he needs to vacate the nursery and go into his big boy room. So that little nursery, although new baby's gonna be with us for at least 8-9 months of his life, I like to have the nursery prepared because I've got all Arthur's stuff out the attic. That I've saved absolutely everything, every item of clothing. I want it all in the wardrobe in the nursery, and I want Arthur to have his own room. So that's where we're up to. So when I go into this vlog, I think I'm 14 weeks. I'm now 26 and I can't breathe. I am struggling a lot more with this pregnancy. But anyway, it's not about the pregnancy in this vlog, it's about Arthur's room. So yeah, Arthur's going into his big boy room. I'll show you a picture of what it looked like. It was the guest bedroom double room, which is like this. Yeah, it was a guest bedroom double room, my office slash makeup room slash clothing slash cloak room. Yeah, so that's gone now, and it's now Arthur's big boy room. So I hope you enjoy this video. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you at the start of this renovation. So I've done one coat. It will dry a lot lighter than that. It'll dry like there. That bit there is kind of nearly dry. Obviously you can still see the pink underneath, so I think I'm going to do another coat. And then I just need to do the cutting. But that literally took me 40 minutes. So yeah, I'm going to let that dry, do another coat. While it's drying, I'm going to go onto AliExpress and just get some stickers. Some Spaceman stickers. So, and some bits for his wall in his room. So I'm going to order them because I know they take ages to come. So I'll probably see you when the paint's dry. So it is the 1st of December 2024. I had to think then. I think I last picked up the camera for this vlog, God, before I was 14 weeks, I think. So I'm now 21 weeks pregnant. And we're still tackling Arthur's room. The wall's done now, painted, which I'll show you in a minute. And then his wardrobe, new wardrobe, is half built. So we actually got a really good deal with this wardrobe. It's actually Silver Cross. It was supposed to be £500 and we got it on Black Friday for £120. And it does, this comes out when he's older, and it got turned into an adult wardrobe. I mean, I'm really tall, so you can't tell, but it is actually adult size. And it's really sturdy. We just need to add the doors. So today, if you can hear my iron steaming in the background, I'm going to iron all this stuff that I've washed. I've not bothered to put it back in the nursery wardrobe because that's going to be the new baby's wardrobe. So we've got some of Arthur's old clothes out the loft that I've kept for the next baby. So that's going to go in the washing machine and then in that wardrobe. So all Arthur's stuff is out that wardrobe now and in his new big boy wardrobe in his big boy room. Oh yeah, we've also had the blinds up, which is space themed, which is also blackout. That was from John Lewis. That was supposed to be like 100 and something, and we got it for £40 on Black Friday. So yeah, I'm literally now just going to iron all this stuff and put them all away in this wardrobe, and then all these like memory boxes, shoes and stuff can go in here, and then I can actually start a new memory box and a new shelf in the nursery for the new baby, because at the minute it's scans and pictures and just bits are just everywhere in the house because I need like a place to put them. So yeah, I'm going to put them in the wardrobe. So yeah, I'll see you probably when I've finished. Good evening everyone. Please just focus, there we go. Please just ignore the state of me. We've had a busy day. Been for a solo dog walk with me and the baby. I've been trying to clean this house as best I can. I'm sorting the baby's room out. So I've done a bit more to focus, there we go. I've done a bit more to his room, and he's got a little book corner that he's actually sat and loves his little book corner and sits there, obviously not reading but just looking at the pictures, and he's so cute. I'm gonna have to show you. Turning the pages, he loves his little corner. Yeah, so I just thought I'd show you where we're up to in this renovation playroom. It's not even a playroom, it's Arthur's big boy room. So I just want to show you this gorgeous rug I got from H&M. It was £50, but I wanted one of them rugs that like from the 90s with all the roads and cars on so he can play with it, but I didn't like the green look when he's got a blue room. I didn't really want a dark rug because the room's quite dark and obviously he's got a really dark wall. So I found this on H&M for £50 and it's rubber underneath so it doesn't move, and oh, I love it. So this is his rug and it looks a lot bigger. Focus. It looks a lot bigger in the room, and just show you the wall. See how it's a lot lighter. The wardrobe doors are on, and I've ironed all these little clothes. Please just ignore them, drill bits need to move. So I've got all these pants down there and all these pram suits slash snowsuits, and then some of his tops, jackets and coats up here, and then just his memory box and stuff he's had through his 1 year. Yes! Are you bringing the book to mama? So yeah, that's the Silver Cross wardrobe that I got for a bargain. We've now got his chest of drawers and his nappy. Why does this camera never focus? There we go. His chest of drawers and his nappy change on there. I am going to put some pictures up there, but not yet. And then we've got his little TP tent with his toy corner, which I absolutely love, and his little cars that you can use this rug on. I don't know if the curtain was up, the blind was up last time, but this is a thermal blackout blind from John Lewis. I also got that on sale. It was supposed to be 100 and something and I got it for £60, but it is blackout, which we need for Arthur. He's got his little pictures up there. And then down here we're going to have a little reading corner. Do you want Mummy to read that? Mummy read it in a minute. So here's his little books with his little reads. My first world map, how cute is that? I'm going to get a space themed beanbag for this corner, so he can just come when he's a little bit older and get a book with Mama and read a story. And then I also got these, oh my god, I actually know the word of these, but I actually can't think because I'm that tired. Yeah, I don't know what they're called, but I got them from H&M just to add a little colour to the room. Yeah, so that's where we're up to now. I've still got like a beanbag to do. Focus. I've still got a beanbag to get. I need to get him a new door with his sign. There's so more things that need to do, so I will see you when it's actually finished, which fingers crossed will be before Christmas. See you soon. So it is way further in the future than I planned. I can't breathe. Yeah, it's literally middle January 2025 and this video was started in October last year, but we got there in the end. The room's done. It's just most of it's like financial. We need to save to buy things, so we can't get everything done at once. But anyway, the room's done now and I'm going to show you. Arthur's in it on a night, sleeps all night, loves it. He's nice and cozy in there. So yeah, here is the finishing room. So I'll just take you around. So here's his nappy change with the gold knobs that I changed. It was black because these are the IKEA, I think the Hermes drawers. But yeah, I changed the knobs because they were black and I bought these off Amazon. I think they look better and they match. All of our sockets and light switches are brass, so I think they match a bit better. But yeah, here is his chest of drawers. Just got his blankets, nappies, cot sheets at the bottom, all his pyjamas, vests in the middle, and then at the top we have socks, flannels for washing him, hats, gloves, things like that, and then his nappy change on the top. A little picture of him when he was a diddy boy. Yep. Then we have the Silver Cross wardrobes that I got for a bargain. Just his little teddies on top. We actually got this from the garden centre when he went for breakfast with Santa. Yeah, that was his present, which I think's really cute. And then in here, I do actually need to get some more. Oh, you can tell he's been in. He's got an obsession with sitting, opening these and hiding behind the trousers, and obviously his toy trains are in there because he's been in. But yeah, so I need some more coat hangers because obviously, as you can see, I've not got enough for his clothes. But yeah, we've got all his clothes and pants and snowsuits up there, and then just little bits up here that need going on. We just need to put some more screws into there, and then that's his memory box in there. So that's his little Silver Cross wardrobe that we did get for a bargain. Then going round to his window, I think I've already told you about the John Lewis thermal blackout blinds that were also on sale. I think they were more than half the price. These are the same curtains that were in here because they're thermal and they're like almost teddy bear fabric. Believe it or not, I actually got them from B&M. They were £25 for one, so £50 for the pair, which I think is quite expensive for B&M, but I do love them. Yeah, if you've got like a dark wall like that, you need to like lighten the rest of the area up. But yeah, then we have his little train. He's obsessed with trains. His little train that says Arthur that his nan and granddad got him from Spain, which I think is really cute. And then we've just got him a little dinosaur, jigsaw. So yeah. Then we go up to here, we've got him a blue little monkey. I think it's a monkey, is it monkey? Let me see. It's a sloth. It's not even a monkey. So the story behind these is we've got a grey one in the nursery hung on the curtain rail as well. So someone actually bought him that for Christmas, unknowing that he already had it in a different colour. So I was like, oh my god, it's blue, and his new room's blue and the other one's grey, and the nursery's like a nude. So we're going to keep the new baby with the grey sloth, and he's got his blue one. So they've got matching ones, which is cute. Yeah, they're from Smith's, by the way. And then going over here, we have his little spaceman. We have his little spaceman pictures. These are from, where are they? AliExpress. And the frames are from Dunelm, but I think they're so cute. And then the wall that turned out really well. This is actually, I saved this colour from the playroom downstairs, and I think it really goes. And then his TP tent, you would have seen in the early videos, it was in the playroom, but he's got so many toys now, so I've brought it up here, and I think it's really nice for that corner. So he's got his teddies, his little TP that he goes into with all his toys, more trains in that basket and more toys, and then just a few fairy lights on the top, which I do turn off. They're not on all the time. Then he's got his cot bed, which he's still in. And then over here, we have his little bookshelf and just some soft play toys and his little map. And then we've got these and his little train set. This is like his beloved train set. It's one of his favourite things. He loves trains, and yeah, he loves that. So he loves sitting there and playing. And then my rug from H&M, which I think is, look, it does match the room because the wall's so dark and the room's so dark because it's at the back of the house. I think because I've added all this is light, the rug's light, the carpet's light, it goes. So that is Arthur's big boy room complete. He's in it now, he sleeps all night, he's nice and cozy in here, and he loves it. He loves playing in here, loves reading in his corner. So that's one room down, another room to go. So next vlog possibly will be the nursery. I'm not doing too much to the nursery because it's neutral. It doesn't really need changing. It's not like I'm having a girl, I'm still having a boy. So I might keep the wallpaper and stuff and just get like a new cot, a new chest of drawers, but I'm not sure yet because knowing me, I'll be like, I want to change the wallpaper and the theme. But yeah, we'll see. So stay tuned for the nursery renovation again. At the minute it's just piled with baby stuff and boxes, and yeah, it's a mess. But yeah, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.